Haya yanajiri wakati ambapo Wizara ya Afya inasisitiza kwamba makali ya korona nchini bado hayajapungua. Fauka ya hayo, wauguzi katika kaunti ya Nairobi bado wanagoma wakilalamikia mapuuza ya maslahi yao na taasisi ya Nairobi Metropolitan.
Today we have 96 people who have tested positive from a sample size of 3,270 tested within the last 24 hours. This brings to total our confirmed positive cases in the country to 36,301. And from our cases today, all are Kenyans except for 4 who are foreigners. And in terms of gender, we have 70 of them being male and 26 of them being female, with the youngest being a 5-year-old child and the oldest being 81. Today we have 121 people who have recovered. 97 of them are from the home-based care program, whereas 24 have been discharged from various hospitals. With regards to our fatalities, sadly today 10 patients have succumbed to the disease, bringing our fatality rate to 634, and our condolences are passed to the family and friends of those who've lost their loved ones.
This is KTN News.